Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you EPS mold connection frame for quick change monoblock EPS mold. We are a professional EPS mold manufacturer in China. As long as the customer can provide the detailed dimensions of the mold frame or mold, we can manufacture it according to the drawing. Below is the detailed dimension for the EPS mold frame for your reference. For more information about EPS mold, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. Here is a close look at the detailed dimension. Here we go.